Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is altcoins bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to FTT video update. Now we did see a little bit of a pump with FTT, but did you get suckered in with that pump? Because I didn't like that pump, by the way. And you see, I'm gonna tell you one thing. When you see the pumps in the 1 hour 15 minutes time frame, you really gotta be careful, because what newbies do is they like to zoom in into things. Okay, the zoomed in, and I think it's not even the mistake of like newbies. The exchanges and how the experience of the exchanges are made is to make you see what's close in that thing, instead of giving you the bigger picture. And I always give you the bigger picture because they don't do that. Like, exchanges want to rip you off. That's how they're designed to be. Okay, if you look at the larger picture, look at this bear flag number 1. Okay, drops you down to 0.242. Look at this flag number 2. It drops you down to 0.06. Unfortunately, what you want to see on a bigger picture to trust this pump, because pumps like this can happen again and again. You can still you cannot actually predict that pumps are going to happen, because when they pump on the 15 minutes time frame, on the daily they're turning out to be a bearish candle, by the way, like a shooting star, which is turning out to be like a shooting star right now. Okay, and by the way, I don't know if the EMAs are trying to catch up, but we try to pump a little bit, and maybe it's just waiting for that 10 EMA to come down, catch up with the 10, and then continue lower. But right now EMAs doesn't even really matter, because you have these patterns, and for your record, you need to go above $2, and if you take out $2, you have good chances of moving up to $3.5. So if you don't see anything like that, any pump that happens in between here is just a load of bullshit. Okay, basically nothing else. So the first target to me still remains 0.647, and the second one to 0.242. Now what happens here, I don't know, but I'm probably gonna be grabbing a little bit of FTT down at 0.242. And that's pretty much it for this update on FTT. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.